Good morning. Last lecture I shall given the syllabus of semester 6. The title of the papers is Genetics and Animal Breeding, and paper number is 21 with the genetics and animal breedings. Today we start the first topic, that is the animal breedings. Animal breedings. So in animal breedings is the first articles. Is fertility and breeding efficiency. Fertility and breeding efficiency. So, what is meant by the fertility? So, what is the fertility? So, the fertility can be defined as the ability of an individual. The fertility can be defined as the ability of an animal to produce the large numbers of living animals. The fertility can be defined as the ability of animals to produce the large numbers of the living young ones. That is called as the fertility. So what is the infertility? The fertility is the ability to produce a large number of the living the young ones. That is called as the fertility. And the infertility means there is the temporary inability. Infertility means there is the temporary inability to produce the young ones. That is called as the infertility. And the sterility. This sterility means that there is the permanent inability of the animals to produce the young ones. That is called as the sterility. So the fertility means that is the ability of the animals to produce large numbers of the young ones, living young ones. That is called as the fertility. So in animal husbandry, there is no more importance economic problems than the fertility of the animals. So in the dairy, in animal husbandry, the most important is the economic problem, no more the economic problem than the fertility, because the profit is obtainable through the meat or eggs. The profit which is obtainable from the milk, meat, eggs or wool is dependent on the reproductive efficiency of the animal. So in the animal husbandry there is no more economic problems than the fertility, because the profit which is obtainable through the milk, meat, eggs or the wool is dependent on the reproductive efficiency of the farm animals through the fertility. Then What is the breeding efficiency? So the breeding efficiency, or it is also called as the reproductive efficiency. So the breeding efficiency, or it's also called as the reproductive efficiency. So these breeding efficiency measures the reproductive ability of an adult animals. So the breeding efficiency measures the reproductive ability of an adult animals. So it is practically impossible to get a herd with a reproductive efficiency of 100%. त्याच्यामध्ये फार्म एनिमल्स कोणत्याही एनिमल्सची reproductive efficiency त्याच्यामध्ये 100% is impossible. So it is practically impossible to get the herd with a reproductive efficiency of 100%, and so it should be used only goal. फक्त आपल्या त्यामध्ये उद्देश फक्त त्यामध्ये प्रत्येक एनिमलची मॅक्झिमम reproductive efficiency. Reproductive efficiency increases, so the number of the living the young ones is also increases. So the average breeding efficiency of the crossbreed cattle. So the average breeding efficiency of the crossbreed cattle was the 82.31 plus or minus the 0.9 percentage. Ranging from about 75 to 85% is the average the breeding efficiency of the crossbreed cattle. By the scientists is the Wilcox the methods, and these breeding efficiency of the animals can be measured by the Gilmore's formula. So the breeding efficiency can be measured by the Gilmore's and other formula. This breeding efficiency or the reproductive efficiency can be determined by the following formula. So this can be determined the number of calves born. So breeding efficiency can be the number of calves born divided by the age of cow, that is the months. So age of cows in months minus the age of the first breedings, age of the first breedings multiplied by 100, that is the 100 is the months plus 3. So this breeding efficiency or the reproductive efficiency can be determined by the Gilmore's and other developed formula. The reproductive efficiency is equal to the number of calves born divided by the age of the cow minus the age of the first breeding into 100 at the month is the plus 3. So the fertility means that the ability of the animals to produce the large number of the living young ones, that is called as the fertility, and this breeding efficiency measures the reproductive efficiency of the adult animals, and this breeding efficiency can be determined by this formula. Then factors affecting breeding efficiency. factors affecting the breeding efficiency. So the following factors which affects the breeding efficiency of the particular animals. So these factors are the first is the number of ova. First factor. So this is the first is the number of ova. So the first limitations of the fertility is the number of the functional ova released during the ovulations. So the first limitations of the fertility is the number of ova released, number of the functional ova released by the each cycle of the ovulations. So what is the ovulations? Ovulations means that the release of ova from the graphite follicles is known as the ova. If release from the graphite follicles is known as the ovulations. So in the number of the ova, so in case of the unipara, in case of the cows and in the mares, in cows and in the produces in mares produces a single ones in one estrus cycle. So in case of the cows and the mares produces the single ones in each estrus cycle. So in case of the sheep, produces one or two or occasionally three ones in the one estrus cycle. So in case of the sheep produces one or two or occasionally the three ones are produced in the one estrus cycles. And in case of the swine, so the number of there are the several number of the ova, even up to 25 ova are released in the one estrus cycle, and within the single ovulation. So the main, that is the first limitations of the breeding efficiency is the number of ova. In cows and mare produces normally is the single ones in the one estrus cycle. In case of the sheep, the produces the one or two or occasionally the three, and in case of the swines, the several number of the ova up to the 25 the ova are released from in one estrus cycle. So we can single. So in case of the sheep, when the two ovums are produced, then the twins are obtained. So in case of the swine, the number of so in case of the sheep giving birth to the young ones, in case of the sheep is known as the lambing, and young ones is known as the lamb. So in case of the sheep, in one parturitions or delivery, the two lambs or three lambs are obtained. In case of the cows, a single calf is obtained, and it is the swine. So the first limitations of the breeding efficiency is the number of ova. So increases the number of ova, the breeding efficiency is also increases. The first factor is the number of ova. Second limitations is the second limitations of breeding efficiency is percentage of fertilizers. Limitations in the percentage of fertilizers we can discuss in the next lecture. Thank you.